Hey, what's up, bros? Today we installed the H&R front sway bars. 11 kilos, baby. Whew.
I got hella racks in my safe, got stars in my race. I got stripper hoes, snort and blow, dancing in my place. I got hella pounds from the plug that I'm about to face. Grease is my public, fuck your mama. Back in 98, sipping on purple rain, like champagne. Niggas gon' make a toast, and then weed and shit that you pass. If a nigga don't choke, Rolls Royce I'm flying, salt is dripping, same color as the smoke. 1,000 niggas in the street, niggas look like the pole. That's just how I live. On my own island, hey, gone on the shit again. Gone again. Gone on the shit again. Gone again. Gone on the shit again. Hey, gone again. Hey, gone on the shit again. Gone on the shit again. Gone just like kill again, lost turn trill again. Need a minute, man. Wait a minute, better get a Ritalin for my adrenaline. If I'ma flip my feelings, better pay the man. Like motherfucking middleman, like I'm the shit. Fuck another nigga bitch again, all the shits again. Island boy like I'm the Dominican. On repeat like a celibate, all pink like a killer can. Palms feet let a fill us in. On the beach like a militant. Black and brown like a brother man. Make it rain like a weatherman. Bust your head, fucking settle man. Got to save and never sell again. All the shit again, that's just how I live. All shits again. On my own island. Gone on the shit again. All shits again. Gone on the shit again. All shits again.
TPT delivered some brand new tires because my front tires are pretty fucked. With the end links I go to the loosest setting because the stiffer you make it in the front, the more understeer you have, and I want my car to tendency to oversteer, so I go to the loosest setting. My main camera is the Sony A7 III with the Tamron 24-75. It's mounted on the Manfrotto clamp and a Jetos ball head. I got my DJI Osmo here to give you the shots with the sway bar. With the Osmo app I checked the framing and exposure for the DJI Osmo Action. To check the exposure on my main camera I use this aperture field monitor. So this is false color. It shows you exactly the spots where it's correctly exposed. For the exhaust I use the Rode mic. Wiring goes through here, through the seat and in the Zoom H4n Pro. I also run a mic in the front for recording the intake. With the wires I run through here along the fender and I go through here, comes out here and also goes in my Zoom H4n Pro. To check the sound I use my Sennheiser headphones. I got the recording volume to 1 and it's still clipping because the car is too fucking loud. It's not a Tomida, but it's loud, trust me. Alright, now I set up the audio on the Zoom H4n Pro. Let's start the engine and check the levels. I run 3 mics, one on the exhaust, one on the intake and one on the inside. So let's adjust the levels so it doesn't clip. Should be fine. So let's roll the cameras and go for a little test drive.